Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how to create hilarious animations from your images or drawings using a free AI tool that takes just 1 minute, or less to use. This tool is perfect for inspiring your kids by bringing their drawings to life, or for creating eye-catching animations for your content. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, this video is for you. So, make sure you have your image or drawing ready, and let's get started. For this tutorial, I'll be using an image from Google, but you can also use AI-generated images from Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, Blue Willow, or any other AI image generator. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Go to the Animated Drawing website. You can find the link in this video description. Click on the Get Started button to continue. Step 2. Click on Upload Photo and select your image. After your image is fully uploaded, click Next to continue. Step 3. Select the area where your character is located. Click Next when you are done. Step 4. The AI will automatically create a mask for your character. If the mask does not cover all of your image, you can manually add or remove selections using the pencil and eraser buttons. After that, click Next. Step 5. Set the joints for your character by clicking and dragging them. This step is very important for your character's movement. Click Next when you are done setting the joints. Step 6. Select an animation from the animation list. Choose the best animation for your character, such as dance movements, funny movements, jumping, or walking. And a story using ChatGPT and AI voiceover tools like HeyGen and AI Studios. If everything is set, click the Zoom button and select Download to save your animation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share to support me. See you in the next AI tutorial video.
Bye!